Hi, my name is Amber, and today I'll be showing you how to not get crimps in your hair when you're straightening it. I'm going to be flat ironing my model's hair here. And the key when flat ironing the hair is to make sure that you're always using a heat protector spray first. You're just going to spray that far away from the hair like this. And then comb. To not get crimps in your hair, you want to make sure that you are using the flat iron and not turning it at all. So you're just going straight down with the hair and grabbing your neck section, combing that out as well. And again, don't forget your heat protector spray. It's very important. And again, you want to use small sections of the hair and just slide it straight through the flat iron like that. And pull it down. That way you get beautiful shiny hair without any crimps or anything in it. That was me showing you how to not get crimps in your hair while straightening it. You can find more tips and tricks at ambermorrowartistry.com. Have a good day.